Small softbox, direct or bounce. When using a small softbox, you may be wondering whether it is better to apply directly or bounce it off the wall. In this video, I will show you how to use a small softbox to change the atmosphere. The softbox I use is a Godox 60 by 90 cm one. Inside is Godox 8100. First, I will apply the softbox from the front. The distance is about 3 meters away from the subject. It's a pretty cool image, but it feels flat and lacks a three-dimensional feel. This time, let's bounce it to the right wall to create a more three-dimensional effect. The soft light hitting the subject from the side creates a very nice atmosphere. However, since the subject is dressed in a cool outfit, the light seems too soft. I want to take a cool shot that matches the mood of the subject, so I try applying the softbox directly on the subject. At this time, move the softbox as close to the subject as possible. The distance between the subject and the softbox is about 60 centimeters. The light coming from the side gives a three-dimensional effect. Since the light is applying directly on the subject from a close distance, the light is not hard, the contrast is high, and the shadows are dark, creating a cool image. Even with direct lighting, if you shine the light from a distance, the contrast will be weak and the light will be hard. Once you have decided on the light, all you have to do is change the pose and take a photo. It looks great. Everyone, try changing the way you apply the softbox to suit your mood.